Today we'll walk you through the installation and operation guide for the EMRF Face 6-handle system. After receiving the machine, unpack all components and prepare them for installation. Here are all the handles. Install the handle holders on both sides of the machine, both the left side and right side. Two support handles put on the machine. In the back panel, you can see the handle and the cable connection parts. There are two rows of the ports on the back of the machine. The top row, System 1, the yellow handle, connection position. Match the handle letters with the corresponding port letters R to R, L to L, U to U. Insert until you hear a click sound that confirms it's locked. Make sure all connected well. The emergency stop switch handle cable for System 1 plugs into the leftmost port on the top row. The negative electrode wire should be connected to the corresponding port on the left. Then install the connection parts for System 2, the bottom row, with white handles. Match the letters on the handles and insert them into the corresponding ports the same way. This is the emergency button. The emergency button for System 2, and this one is the negative electrode wire. Okay, now the machine is well prepared. Let's see the consumables pads. Take out the pads which are labeled with face, chin, forehead, and eye. Using face pads as an example, open the package and remove the pad card. Peel off the protective film at the end and stick it onto the groove area on the card. Make sure you make it corresponding to the area. Okay, like our video shows, it's done. Then you can repeat similarly for the other pads to install them. Then it's the negative plate. Negative plate can be used directly. Attach the cable using this clamp securely. The negative pass is consumable. After unwrapping the pad, attach it firmly like this. Then plug in the power cable and power on. Press the power button to start the machine. Then installing the pads. Take the prepared treatment pad, open the clip, and install it gently following the arrow direction. Make sure it's secured and secure the buckle. Same to the other handles and pads. System 1 with face and System 2 handles can equip with chin and iPad pads. After all installed and prepared, we can see the interface. There are System 1 and System 2 on the screen. We click System 1. Left side is auto mode, controls all three handles together. Right is manual mode, allows you to set each handle individually. Choose gender, mode ABCD, and age group. Proceed to working interface. For manual mode, you can click different facial zones to set different parameters. From left to right, RF energy and electromagnetic energy. See, same for the different treatment areas. You can set differently. Then let's go back to see the auto mode. All areas are adjusted synchronously. Once energy levels are set, press start to begin the treatment. Then we can switch to the System 2 here. And interface is the same. Left auto mode, right manual mode, gender, mode, age. Also the parameters adjustment method is also same. RF energy, electromagnetic energy, and treatment time for auto mode and manual mode. Manual mode you can set differently for different area. This is the treatment time. Bottom of screen M1 to M4 are memory modes for saving presets. Use the arrow cycle button to switch freely between System 1 and 2, enabling 6-handle dual system operation. Then let's see the treatment procedure. Apply the disposable negative electrode pad firmly to the client back. It must be fully attached. Choose the treatment client information and clean the treatment area with wet wipes. Then stick the treatment pads to the targeted facial area. Forehead, eyes, left and right. Face area using a lifting motion as shown in the video. Lifting for face. And then chin pass. All 6 handles can be used together. Place the negative plate under the client's body. And then place the emergency button to the patent handle. In case there's any discomfort, they can hold on the treatment, cut off the treatment directly. And then let's do the treatment. We choose manual mode. Mode C is generally recommended for forehead area. RF usually suggests 50 to 80%. Electromagnetic also 50 or 10 to 50%. For specific recommendations per area, please refer to the user manual. Start low settings and increase gradually based on the client's tolerance. For System 2, also choose Mode C, RF 50 and electromagnetic 50%. Then adjust according to the client's feelings. Energy levels should be adjusted from low to high based on the comfort. The client should feel a warm sensation but never burning. Make sure the client holds the emergency button to escape any discomfortable treatment. Before operating, please read the full user manual before beginning the treatment. If you encounter any problems, feel free to contact your supplier at any time. Manual mode, you can set different settings for different treatment area. For the installation step summary, attach the handle holders, connect the handle plugs to the corresponding ports on the back. Place handles into the holders. Connect to the emergency button key and the negative electromagnetic plate to the ports. That's all the steps. Thank you for your watching.